Hello and welcome. So, wanted to talk about the three traffic mistakes that I see affiliate marketers make over and over again. And it's nothing super complicated or wild and crazy. It's just a setup thing. So, number one, the first mistake is only promoting when you feel motivated. A lot of folks don't notice that they do this. Even I myself, starting out, didn't really notice. And what they'll do is they'll push hard for a few days, post the crap out of their stuff everywhere on social media and everywhere else, send emails, talk about their offers nonstop, and then life hits them. They get busy, they slow down, then they disappear. And what happens is their visibility, once they stop going nutso, just drops to zero. So if your traffic depends on your mood and how much you can push over a short period of time, you don't really have traffic. You just have fits and starts and bursts and farts of traffic, okay? Second mistake I often see is switching direction too fast. You pivot. You have a new funnel, you have a new tool, you have a shiny new opportunity, or some, quote, new strategy, or strategy you haven't heard of, and you abandon your first or second strategy that you already use. So what happens is nothing ever gets time to grow. Nothing ever gets time to compound or gain any traction. And everything just kind of resets before it has a chance to even out so that you can get an idea of what's really working. And number three, third mistake, expect and prove too early. Because most beginners quit before anything even gets traction and they can show any to themselves any results. Instead of asking themselves, is my positioning proper? Is my exposure consistent? Is anything cooking underneath and behind the scenes? They look for like the first 7 days income or instant push button money. And when they don't see it, they're like, they throw their hands up and they're like, well, forget it, doesn't work. That's not how it works. For myself in particular, doing affiliate marketing, my traffic is set up in layers. Okay. That way, if I do miss a day, which happens, my visibility doesn't poop out, doesn't collapse. So what you don't need is more hype and more shiny objects and more pivoting. What you need is better layering and something that can get you traffic even if you have an off day. So that's what you need basically is better underpinnings, better structure. Because if you're feeling stuck, it's usually not your effort. It's what you got going on for traffic layers. And one of the things I found, of course, here that is very valuable is daily ads. I am a silver member of daily ads myself, but what I'm encouraging is anybody that needs any kind of traffic, which I'm pretty sure if you're on this video is you, needs daily ads. And you can get in here, join as a free member, poke around, see what membership level is good for you, either free or the bronze membership, which is $10 a month, or the silver membership, which is like $27 a month. They do have a gold membership coming up that hasn't been released yet. So whatever works for you. You need traffic and you need something that's going to cook along even while you're doing other things. I think this would be a great addition to anyone's arsenal. And one more thing I want to point out. Matrix tree total right here, right now, as I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video on March 11th, 2026. It's about 9 p.m. Eastern Time where I'm at. The matrix tree total is 4,006. Now, my last video, like I said, Life Gets Busy, was on March 8th. So 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 days. I looked at the total, and as of right this moment, in those 3 days, 180 people have joined daily ads, just from the time I last did my last video. So that should cause you to pause and really suss out the value of this that other people see in it. Don't take my word for it. Just look at the numbers. So anyway, if this video was helpful to you and it helped explain and it helped add value to your traffic strategy, don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe, share. Join my YouTube channel, of course, here. and mash that bell icon so you don't miss any more videos from me. As far as joining daily ads, if you're interested, this sounds like it's something for you. The free sign up link is below in the description of the video, so you can get in there and get started for free and poke around. But even if this isn't for you, remember the spirit of this video, meaning you need traffic layers, you need structure, you need underpinnings. So make sure that you do find something for you that can run evergreen traffic for you 24/7, even if life causes you to step away. That is what actually changes your momentum and will snowball over time. That's it for today. And until we speak again, have a great day. Bye-bye.